Ungqongqoshe wezemfundo eGauteng uMatome Chiyulwane ehambisana noNdunankulu uPanyaza Lesufi uncome ikilasi lika-2025 ngemumva kokube isifundazwe siklonyeliswe endaweni yesithathu kuzwelonke emphumeleni kamatikuletsheni. UChiyulwane ubekhuluma emcimbini wokuklonyeliswa kwezikole eCenturion namhlanje ekuseni obuhlelwe uhulumeni wesifundazwe wokuhlonipha izikole ezithe zenza kahle. IGauteng ithole izinga lokuphasa kumatikuletsheni lilonke elingamaphesenti angu-89.6%. Kanti uNgqongqoshe uphinde wancoma isifunda saseJohannesburg West ngokuqopha izinga lokuphasa ngamaphesenti angu-96.2%, okusenze saba ngesinye sezifunda esisebenze kahle kakhulu ezweni.
Bachonywa uphaphele gwalagwala abafundi kanye nezikole eziphase ngamalengiso kumatikuletsheni wonyaka ka-2025 kumcimbi obanjwe uMnyango Wezemfundo kanye nohulumeni wesifundazwe endaweni yaseCenturion. Ungqongqoshe womnyango uthi-ke ukuphasa kwezikole ezingakhokhisi kuyagculisa kakhulu njengoba umehluko uyabonakala eminyakeni.
Something that matters more than headline numbers. In 2009, the gap between no-fee schools and fee-paying schools was 24 percentage points. That was the gap between fee-paying and no-fee-paying. This was a huge gap. Today, as I speak to you, it sits below 7 percentage points. That is not accidental policy. That is deliberate investment in equity. So what does that mean? No-fee township schools have achieved a pass rate of 87.3% this year.
Kusenjalo uNdunankulu wesifundazwe uthi-ke isifiso sakhe ukubona isifundazwe sibuyela phezulu kwimphumela.
It's not ideal, it's not acceptable. We need to find a way of dealing with the causes that made us to move away from the position that have been challenging for quite some time, position 1 and 2, and to find ourselves with position 3. If you have to take Bafana Bafana as an example, last time when they were in AFCON, they were number 3. They went to AFCON now, they're nowhere. If we can't change the system, we may also be eliminated within the top 3 if we don't rework and re-engineer the system. So I've requested the MEC to set aside 3 intensive days for performance and systemic analysis. We need to take stock of our class needs. We need to take stock of what is happening within the classroom. We also need to reprioritize our budget and also take a deep look of the infrastructure outlook.
Kusenjalo, umnyango uthi balinganisela ku-3,000 abafundi abangakafakwa ezikoleni ukuyokwenza ibanga lokuqala nelesishiyagalombili njengoba ke zivulwa ngolwesithathu izikole. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu, ngise-Centurion.